Hello crafty friends, welcome back to Makaz home. It's been a while, very long while, so busy with life. Glad to be back and able to share. Actually, I'm not sure if I'm back, I'm just able to share at this moment. I have an unboxing by Beebeecraft. They had asked me to review some of their products and see what kinds of crafty items I could make with them, and so these are the items that I got. And first off, I did get some of these bags. I was thinking I was going to put dies in them, but actually they're just like Ziploc bags. I'm not, oh, it's 25 by 17, and I believe that's probably centimeters. But just a regular Ziploc bag. Believe it comes in a pack of 50, so I got some of those. I also ordered some puffy balls, a whole pack of them, and let's see their texture and quality. Sorry for the crinkle noise, sorry. Okay. Whoops. Let's see. So there's a variety of sizes, you can see. And yeah, some puffy balls that I'm going to make some crafts with. The smaller ones you could probably use for shakers. They have to be, you know, thicker shakers to fit that size, but yeah, I'm excited to implement these in my crafts. I also ordered an assortment of paper clips, and I believe this came in a 50 count as well, and in numerous colors. As you can see, they're pretty you know, thick and sturdy, and that's them. So different colors to work with. How exciting. And I also ordered a pack of these stickers. And I believe these are like monster ones. Let's pull them out and take a look. So these are the different stickers. Some of them my daughter wants for her water bottle, which they do make good water bottle. That's hilarious. Water bottle stickers, but I am going to, you know, use some of them in my projects. Especially because it's Halloween time and these creepy ones I can use. So I got that pack. And I also got another pack. Sorry, I have a little nose drip because of my allergies. And here's the other pack. Unicorn. You know, there's a variety, obviously. Some not to my taste, but in any case, there is a variety, and I see some of them I can use. A lot of them. There's just only a couple that are not up to my taste, but good quality, sticky back, kind of thin, or even this one. Sorry, I didn't even look at the images that well. But there's the different sticker packs I did get from Beebeecraft. Again, they're Beebeecraft. You can find them online. They have a plethora of scrapbooking supplies. And their prices are pretty phenomenal. And I will leave a link to their site below. They do have sales quite often. So, you know, sign up for their email and get notified when they do have these sales. Thanks for stopping by. Leave a comment in the below if you have any questions. about anything in regards to this order. And I will talk with you soon. Shakas!